Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where screen recording and sniping tool is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, make sure that there is no other third-party screenshot tool on your system. Now I'm referring to a screenshot tool and not a screen recording tool, because screen recording tools have to be specifically triggered to start with the screen recording. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps. Now search for any recently installed screenshot tool. For example, I have ShareX, so I will remove it. Why am I removing it? Because it interferes with the sniping tool. The next solution will be to search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar and select app settings in the right pane. Select terminate, select repair, click on reset, and then click on reset once again. If this doesn't help, then select uninstall and uninstall it. Wait for it to uninstall completely, and once it is uninstalled, you can search for store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for sniping tool here. Go to the sniping tool, select install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.